Merci, monsieur. Cheers, my love.
To Paris.
To Paris.
To us in Paris.
Ah, merci.
Looks great.
So there are two secrets to making really good omelets. The first one is cook it over a very low flame so it doesn't get tough, which they did. And the second one is to undercook it just a little bit so it's really delicious and moist. And I'd say they know how to make a good omelet.
They know how to make an omelet. This omelet approaches your omelets, which is the highest compliment I can pay.
Maybe I'll make something like this at home, maybe with baked eggs instead of omelets.
Oh, that sounds delicious. Right.
So I'm going to make herb baked eggs for Jeffrey and me. Watch how easy this is. Great. So I'm going to mix together 1/4 teaspoon of fresh thyme right in this bowl. 1/4 teaspoon of fresh rosemary. There's all kinds of French herbs. You want to use it judiciously because it's such a strong herb. And be sure that you chop it really well. Into the bowl. 1/4 teaspoon of fresh garlic. This has all kinds of Provençal flavors in it. One tablespoon of chopped parsley. You can either use flat leaf or curly parsley. I kind of like a rough chop. It doesn't have to be too finely chopped. One tablespoon of parsley and 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. Just be sure to use good fresh Parmesan cheese. Okay, so these are the gratin dishes that the eggs are going to go into. And I'm going to crack 3 eggs into each bowl. You want to do it really carefully so you don't break the yolks. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of butter, put it in the gratin dish, a little bit of cream, just drop, oops. So I'm going to put these on a tray, and I made some little pieces of toast I'm going to serve with the eggs. I'm going to put these in the broiler for about 3 minutes till the dish gets really hot and the butter is nice and bubbly. And then when the eggs hit, they'll start to cook immediately. So the creamy butter for the eggs, probably done. Perfect. It's nice and hot and bubbly. I'm going to carefully slide the eggs into each one so I don't break the yolks. They'll just start to cook immediately. The dish is really hot. And then I'm going to put on my mixture of thyme, garlic, rosemary, parsley, and Parmesan. It's all very Provençal. Salt and pepper. Into the broiler for about 5 minutes until it's hot and bubbly and delicious. So, you look very comfortable sitting there.
Oh, that looks great.
Like my French-inspired flowers.
What do you got there?
I have baked eggs with Provençal
Isn't
herb.
that lovely?
And then later, the way the French have a salad after the meal, I have an endive salad with blue cheese and pears.
Oh, that is just delicious.